Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to do a little different project. Bought a little bike for my grandson. We're going to put it together, and that's it right there. We just pulled it out of the box. My brother Bill's here. He's going to help me out, and we're going to stick that little dude together. He's got a birthday coming up in August. He's 7, and I would have killed to have one of these when I was a boy, but nobody ever got me one, so I decided to get him one. He told his mom he wanted his grandpa to buy him a dirt bike for his birthday, and I'm sure he has no idea he's getting it. So, but there it is. It's a cute little dude. So we're going to get this stuck together and get out the instructions and either put it together or make a mess, one of the two. We got a good job on the mess started already with the boxes that came in. So let's get this thing going and get it together. Okay, let's see what we got in this little bag of goodies here. The zipper stuck. How'd you do that, Bill? There it goes. Okay, oil bottle. Here's our instructions. I think that's stickers. Number plate, the front axle, little bag of tools, shock mount. You could actually be filming this if you wanted to. Well, this must be the instruction manual. Huh. Okay. The tires are flat, dude. Where'd my little knife go? That hurt. So there's the little tire with no air in it.
Yeah, they're both.
I hope it's got tubes.
They do. It's got the valve stem sticking out. So I know they got tubes in them. Probably only hold like 10 pounds of air.
We'll have to readjust these. handlebars when we give it to him, so it fits his, see where they need to be when he's sitting on it, you know?
Yep.
Okay, let me see it.
That's right.
I know, but you gotta, I don't know, I guess.
Caught under here.
Yeah.
Be above it.
Because this little plate goes on right here somehow.
And these get adjusted down.
I don't know which way it goes, if the white goes up or if the white goes down. Looks better with the white down.
Yeah.
Because it makes it look angry.
Right?
So we'll do it that way probably.
Gotta be angry.
Now you know these little deals got to be over in the deal and the thingamajig.
Yeah. The little grooves. Be in the
Man.
jaws. Yeah, you gotta get them perfect.
Pretty cute, isn't it? You can let that lay down for a minute so we can get at it. Just let it lay down out of the way. We can get these kind of down where they need to be, and then we can stand them back up when we're ready to tighten it, you know? Sure, I've probably got another dealie this size. Allen wrench. Now, a little bit too tight. Oh, I don't want to loosen that one. I want to loosen this one up a little. I think. Oh, they're actually pretty even. So are these. Let's see. It sucks being old. It's got to come this way, so hold on a minute.
Actually, it's pretty even here. They didn't make these grooves perfect by any means.
Dang it. Really?
Yeah. They're meant to be torqued down pretty good, I guess.
I just want to loosen up so I can move the dang bars where they need to be. Alright, let me see here. I guess we're going to go right about there.
Alright, got it.
Now, probably about right there, huh?
Kill switch.
Yeah, it's either that or pull the plug wire off and get zapped.
Either that or it's a pretend starter button. No, it's got a wire coming off of it. It's got to be the kill switch. Pretty cool. Throttle works.
Well, like I said, we might have to readjust some of this stuff for him.
Yep. Well, the main point of this is we need to tighten these up too. Main point of this is just to get it assembled, right?
Yeah. Why do we need to tighten those up?
Because the grip moves.
It does?
No.
Okay, well let me We'll put it up here where it's supposed to be. I'm sure that the... Wow, man, that thing is stiff, dude.
Yeah, well, it's got a long cable on it. Yeah, that throttle's pretty stiff for a little tiny motor, ain't it?
I'm sure it's not the motor, it's the cable.
He's gonna have fun with this, though. He's gonna have a blast with this thing.
Okay.
Front tire or shock mount?
You're gonna have to get up over it and hold it up in the air, or however you can do it. Oh, and this has got to go into the brake caliper too, Joy.
Yeah. That won't be hard.
No? Not hard at all.
That's the hard part, getting spacers through there.
Yeah. Not sure how this is going to work out. Jesus. Really? This is all 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, it won't take that long. And this thing almost looks like a chopper.
Yeah, it's got a pretty good rake, but that's because the butt end's sitting on the ground. Once we get that shock hooked up.
That looks cool though. It almost looks like a little chopper.
Once we get this shock hooked up in here, does this come off?
Yeah, you gotta take the little...
I don't think we need to. Oh, now our dang handlebars are all screwed up again.
Well, don't worry about those yet. Let's get the...
Well, it kind of helps when you're trying to move the bike around and hold it up and what have you. If they're kind of stuck, you know. Something to hang on to, moving it around. Back in the center, where we want it. All right, that's better. I hope we're doing this right. I gotta find bolt B or whatever goes in there. I'm betting it's this one.
I'm betting it's the only one there is.
Because the rest of those are just little nuts and stuff for the plastic. Oh, it's easy to put together. Yeah, if you got teeny tiny little hands. Dude, is there more room over here?
No. No more room anywhere. Yeah.
Here that I can't get my hands up in there right. So this might... Here. Tip this thing over here where we can get some of this junk out of the way. You gotta come down. Ah, man. Come down a little more. I got no room in here for my hands either. But, she going? Almost. Come on, twist around and get in the hole there. Done. She's through. Now look how tall it is. Now it ain't raked.
Now we got to get the nut on it.
Well,
Here, I can do it. Where'd it go?
I don't know. It's inside the spring. Right there. The coil.
Come on, really?
Yeah, it's not coming out of there.
Oh, sure it is. I just can't get my fence.
Well, hold the bike and let me get a thing. Let me get a skewer driver.
Really? Drop down another one. It almost held on to it, Dave. Almost held on to it. Where is it?
Wonder if they can see what we're doing.
Sure they can. Alright. Got it on there. Now this takes those nylon threads. I mean, need a couple of wrenches to put on there. Probably be a lot easier with a socket.
I would imagine. What size is that? 9.
10 millimeter.
There's no 10, so it's not a 10.
It's gonna be
It's a 13.
big, man.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, it's about the size of a ½ inch.
It's a 10, just like I said.
Huh.
It's one thing I got used to working with is doggone metrics. We have another 10. How the heck are we supposed to put this on with one wrench when you need one to hold it and one to tighten it up with?
We get one out of the toolbox.
You'd think the toolkit that comes with it would have. Now this size over here is bigger. Oh, that's why they did that, Dale.
Yeah.
They made one side small and the other side
Both
big.
sides are open end wrenches.
So one's a 13 and one's a 10. Yep.
One's a 13.
Yeah, the nut's a 13 and the bolt is a 10. See that?
Well, let's see what we got going on here. $13. Like so. And then we reach right up here. And we get this bad boy out. Here you go. I got a 13.
Yep.
This side's the 13?
Yep. Done. Done.
All right, shock's on. Look at that bad boy. He's almost ready to go.
Look at that. And that's got a stiff suspension.
That light little kid couldn't go over anything hard enough to even bend that suspension, man.
Nope.
You know? Not gonna happen.
Almost got her ready.
I mean, what's he weigh? 60 pounds?
It's that.
45?
Need to air up the tires. Good luck getting a valve stem in there, or a thing in there to air it up.
Not a problem. Maybe.
Front tire will be easy because you can get into it from this side. But the other one,
Oh, good. I was wondering about that. The chain's on.
yep,
That's all we got left to do.
put the bolts in the plastic.
Is put the bolts in the plastic, put the front fender on, and make sure everything is tight.
Yeah, so we
Right?
need, 4 bolts for this plastic, 2 for that plastic. 6 bolts, and we need to tighten up the front axle.
Good grief. Really? I just love these self-locking nuts, man. I really actually do.
Yeah.
But they're a pain to thread with your fingers, but they don't come off. That's what we care about.
19 and a 19, I'll bet you.
Go get a 19 socket out of there.
Oh, this ain't gonna take long.
No, I want them even. If you just tighten that one, you're gonna have 14 inches of bolt sticking out there and nothing over here.
I wasn't just gonna tighten this one, I'm gonna tighten them both evenly.
All right.
We always do. On the bicycles.
I'm OCD about that kind of stuff. Sure, it doesn't hurt a dang thing, but it just looks bad, you know?
Right? No, you need to have the same amount of bolts sticking out both sides. Gotta have.
Put this thing on with its angry look. Boy, they don't leave you a whole lot of room. They're molding of this stuff.
See, the problem is one side turns.
Yeah, it's like a bicycle axle.
So the whole doggone axle turns.
Right.
So only one side's tightening right now. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. I'll tighten it up in a minute. Oh yeah.
Oh, these are a pain to get at.
You're gonna get your fat fingers in there, aren't you?
Get them started anyway.
What size is that, an 8?
10.
10.
This is another thing, I gotta make sure it's in the middle before I get it tight. In the center, it's got them slots.
Yep.
Alright. That one's where we want it. You guys didn't know this was a motorcycle shop, did you? You honestly think a guy's gonna own a Harley? And my brother's Goldwing.
Goldwing.
And not be able to work on this stuff? That looks pretty centered up.
The rubber on these must be going on the outside of the bolt.
Okay. Now we got a fender. That's probably going to be a pain in the butt to get on.
No washers for these?
That's the front. So what does it do? It goes like that. Now, yeah? Really? Oh.
What really?
I guess that's where it goes. Goes right there.
One little bolt. That's all. One little big bolt.
Oh. You got that little,
What do you need?
what is that?
Yeah. An Allen, but I think that one.
Oh man. Shouldn't have put that plate on yet.
Use it as an angle.
Why didn't you read the instructions?
Use the small side. No bolt, no nut, just bolt, huh?
Just a bolt.
Yeah, you should have read the instructions before you put it together, man. Such a shame. Alright, this one
Well,
here.
there's always a workaround. Usually.
Sometimes.
My throat's dry. I need to get a drink. Doggone it. And that's going to be even less room. Trying to get it back in. Now the fender's going to be in the way. I mean, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, now the fender's going to be in the way.
I might have to take the number plate back off of this thing.
To make it a little bit easier. Good idea.
It'd also help if I could see. Yeah, if you would have read the instructions, you'd know that we have to put this on before the number plate. You know?
Yeah, well, you know how it is. We don't read instructions in this family. We just do or do not. Wow.
Well, I know there's a hole right there.
Yeah, well, there's supposed to be, this is supposed to fit down on there too, but it ain't fitting down on this.
All right, well, that's not going to work, and I'm not going to keep fighting with it. So, I guess we'll go ahead and take the number plate off. Seeing as how you didn't read the instructions before you started this.
Hey, gotta make a little extra work for you.
What the heck? I really didn't tighten it that tight.
Sure you did. You put it on like a hurricane wouldn't take it off.
No, I really didn't. I just barely snugged it up.
Now, since I read the instructions on my part, I only have one more bolt to put in. That needs to go under there. That's probably why it was having such a hard time. That didn't slot right.
We'll have to lube that cable up. Probably, maybe.
Probably, maybe.
With a little WD or something so it'll slide in the sheath a little easier.
Perhaps. Man, that cable's just, I don't like where that cable goes. Oh, well, that needs to come up higher. There we go. That's what it needs.
Nope, that's not going to do it either. Got to take the whole stupid thing back off.
Good exercise.
Thought maybe I could just take. Oh.
This is going to go through the slot or not.
Thought maybe I could just take the one side off and twist it over out of the way, but.
There we go. Whew. Don't forget to tighten up all these nuts and bolts in this plastic. They're all in place now. Need to be tightened. All right, this kickstand actually works better than the other one did. The other kids, the other one that we were looking at,
Yeah, I know.
the kickstand was all messed up.
That thing's still a pain in the butt to get at
Yeah.
with the. Yeah, that's not going to work. All right. Not doing that. I don't think. I think I have a way. You know what? Maybe I don't. Oh, yeah, I do.
It's almost tight now.
Is it even remotely straight?
Yeah.
No. Well, I guess it's kind of straight.
You sure
Dude.
that's the way it goes on?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's just, man, we got to bend it up. Got to bend this little bracket up a little. Just enough clearance it doesn't hit the motor. That'll work.
Huh.
See, they had theirs on over there on that little show bike model where it was hitting the front of the engine cover here.
Right.
Sweet. Look at that little dude.
Well, I guess since you haven't gotten around to it yet, I'll go ahead and tighten up these plastic mounts.
What do you think of that? Look at that. Wicked little dirt bike, huh? It goes like 20 miles an hour and it has 0 power. And it's perfect for a 7-year-old boy.
No clutch.
No clutch, no gears. It's just a mini bike. Just a lot nicer mini bike than they had when I was his age. We had the tote go type mini bikes. This is like this cute little mini dirt bike. Pretty cool. That's my brother Bill. Moved up here with me. He's a little slow. Say hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill.
See what I mean? She's looking good, man. You're doing a fine job.
Uh-huh.
I knew I brought you around for some reason.
Now we need to whip out the new finish and polish this bad boy up.
So do we leave the, yeah, we leave the little plastic clippies, zip ties on to hold the cables
Yep.
in place. Yeah, he's gonna be just over the moon, isn't he?
Yeah, he's gonna love this.
Get this little dude.
You know, he'll always remember for the rest of his life. When he's out there riding Harleys and big bikes and having a time of his life, he'll be like, Grandpa bought me my first bike, man.
That's the plan. That's the legacy that I will leave when I'm no longer with us.
And he's rich and famous out there doing back double flips and triple side flips and stuff that nobody else is doing. He'd be like, I owe it all to Grandpa. He bought me my first bike. First flip I ever did was when I hit the dog and went over the handlebars.
When he wins his first championship, he'll be like, I owe it all to my grandpa, man.
Yep. First flip I ever did was when I hit the dog and went over the handlebars.
And that stupid little dog he has probably will get on her. If they let him outside while he's riding, he probably will get ran over.
Right? That is a rambunctious little dog they got.
Both of them. They're about half loony.
I suppose you want me on this one now. God, you're so demanding.
Hold on there again. Now let me torque them a little bit. Yeah, this is a great.
Oh, come on, it's Chinese.
So is that. They don't even fit.
All right, now
All right.
we gotta set the handlebars back again. Where they were, because they're way forward now.
Well,
I think that ought to be about right, judging this. Just from what I've seen of them, his height and everything. Now we've got an extra bolt and 2 extra rubber washers here and an extra nut. So where's the number plate? I didn't put the number plate on.
I did. It's right here.
Oh, we don't need to put the, we don't, well, we got extra bolt in.
Yeah, well, they always usually give you a couple of extras.
Good mechanic always has extra parts when he's done working on stuff.
When you have to assemble stuff like this, you usually get extras in the packet in case one's stripped or, you know, something like that.
Alright, now we just got to put the little vent cap on. And there she is.
She's coming together nicely.
Yep. Tear up the tires, make sure it's got oil in it. You gonna start it?
Of course.
Right on.
I'm gonna ride it.
You're gonna ride it?
Oh, hell yeah.
That I want on video.
Well, I don't think he's strong enough to move those bars.
Nope.
Right?
Right?
Okay. Well, you want to check and make sure it's got oil in the cranking case, and I'll get some air.
It ain't gonna have oil in the case. In the box.
And
I'll be damned. Got oil in it.
we'll see if we can get some air in these tires.
I don't know if I call it good oil. But it's got oil in it. I would suggest running it for an hour or so and then changing the oil. Because this shipping oil isn't going to be good solid motor oil.
I would suggest that you don't suggest what I do.
I would suggest that you listen to my suggestion because I make great suggestions.
Wonder how many pounds that takes. About that many.
Probably not that many. Didn't read on the tire how many pounds?
It takes this many pounds that's in it, I'm pretty sure.
Holy shit.
What?
Stop. I'm trying to see the poundage. 65 psi.
Yeah, a 10-speed takes like 60 pounds of air.
65 pounds of air, dude. A lot of air. I call it good.
Well, there's no gas in it, I guarantee you that. And I don't believe I have any. Gonna have to make a gasoline run.
Well, that's got zero control.
Well, it's a tiny little motor, dude.
Is the spark plug in it?
Don't know why it wouldn't be.
Well, there's a spark plug wrench. I just wasn't sure if they actually put the spark plug in the engine or not.
Hold this.
Hold that. You have about a quart?
Probably. Somewhere right in that area.
Well, they can start, right?
You would think. How's that throttle cable feel? Stiff and it doesn't return really.
On off for the
Choke.
see an on-off switch for the choking. I mean, for the fuel anywhere. I guess it's getting fuel in the bowl. A little bit of fuel in the bowl.
Here.
That's wild, man.
Wild.
Wild.
Let's see what this little dude will do, man. Pretty snappy.
Yeah.
If it'll haul my fat butt around, it'll haul him around. Look at the tire.
Yeah, I think it's a little off balance.
There you go. She works. And it didn't fall apart or break with my fat butt up on there.
Right?
Yeah, they didn't do a very good job making those wheels. Because the bead seems right all the way around. You know? So I guess, look at that pile of rubber blowing around in the wind.
Yep. That has little pipe though.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
You know, he's gonna love that. You know he's gonna love that.
Go take it for a spin.
Grandpa got him his first motorbike. Right?
Go take it for a spin, man.
Well, it probably won't hold my fat ass.
Let's see how it looks with an ogre on it.
You know, probably won't hold my fat ass. Woohoo!
That's pretty funny, isn't it? Doesn't do very well going up the hill, going up the road that way. But it go like nobody's business downhill.
Man, that thing's hard to handle.
It is, right?
It's bumping the road.
Pretty cool.
Kill switch works good.
Yeah, shuts it right off.
I'm very pleased with that.
Well, there she is. Sweet little dirt bike all put together.
Good job, Dale.
I've got a 7-year-old grandson that is just gonna think that he's in heaven. I'm sure when he brought this up to his mother, he didn't think that this was gonna really happen. And I want to give it to him when school's out because I want him to be able to enjoy it this summer because his birthday's not till the end of August and that's when school starts again. So, and fall and all of that stuff. So, you know, we want him to have fun on it this summer. So there it is. Little motorcycle putting together project. How fun was that?
Awesome.
It was fun, man. It was great fun. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Go out to your shop and put together a little motorcycle. Or tear one apart and fix it or whatever. And just have some fun. And we'll see you on the next one.